sent 57 email invitations to a party. So far, 38 people replied. How many people still need to reply? This is a subtraction problem because it wants me to start with the number of invitations and take away or subtract the number of people who have already replied. And that will leave me with how many people still need to reply. Before I begin though, I need to estimate. 57 email invitations were sent. I know that 57 falls between 50 and 60. It's only 3 away from 60 and 7 away from 50. So I'm going to round 57 to the closest 10, which is 60. Then I have to think about how many people have already replied. I know that 38 people have replied. 38 falls between 30 and 40. It's 2 away from 40 and 8 away from 30. So I'm going to round to the closest 10, which is 40. When I subtract, 60 minus 40 is 20. Now I can go ahead and solve to see how many people still need to reply. That equation is 57 minus 38, because 57 invitations were sent and 38 people have already replied. The strategy that I'm going to use is a number line. I'm going to start at 57 and see how much I have to take away in order to get to 38. An easy way for me to do this mentally is to take away groups of 10. So if I start at 57 and I take away a group of 10, I get to 47. I'm going to try that again. I'm going to take away another group of 10 because that's a number that's easy for me to count by mentally. So 47 minus 10 is 37. So when I do 57 minus 37, I get an answer of 20 because I took away 20. However, if you remember, it wasn't 57 minus 37, it was actually 57 minus 38. So I took away 1 too many. If I take away 1 less and end on 38, instead of taking away 20, 1 less than that is 19. So my answer to this equation is 19. So that means 19 people still need to reply. Another strategy that I could use besides the number line is the standard algorithm. In the standard algorithm, it's important to make sure you line up the numbers based on place value. I'm going to start off in the ones place value. I have 7 ones minus 8 ones. I'm not able to do 7 minus 8 because 7 is smaller than 8. So I need to go into the tens place value to regroup. I'm going to regroup 5 tens and 7 ones as 4 tens and 17 ones. What I did was I turned 1 10 into 10 ones plus the 7 ones that are already there to make 17 ones. Now I can do 17 minus 8, which is 9. Next, I move into the tens place value, where I have 4 tens minus 3 tens, which is 1 10. And I get an answer of 19. So that means that 19 people still need to reply. If you look, that is really close to my estimate of 20. And I actually got 19 with both strategies. So the number line is a great strategy as well as the standard algorithm.